Address rotted fascia and failing gutters before painting so the new finish lasts and you do not waste time or money. Start by conducting a full perimeter inspection of the roofline to identify soft spots, loose nails, and water stains on fascia and soffit boards, probing suspect areas with a screwdriver to find hidden rot. Remove and replace any damaged boards with rot-resistant materials and treat cut ends with an appropriate preservative before fastening with corrosion-resistant nails or screws. Where gutters are corroded, sagging, or leaking, replace them and ensure hangers are properly spaced and attached to structural members so the system carries water away from the fascia. When in doubt, upgrade to a higher capacity profile for better drainage. Always install metal flashings and drip edges at roof and fascia junctions to create a positive water shedding path and prevent backflow onto painted surfaces. Prime all new wood or fiber cement substrates with a high adhesion primer and allow full cure before applying top coat paint to ensure adhesion and uniform sheen. Coordinate scheduling so carpentry and gutter work finish first, then allow the substrate to dry fully, and finally paint, keeping a buffer of at least 24 hours of dry weather after priming or before top coating when possible. Common mistakes include painting over hidden rot instead of addressing the underlying structure which causes the paint to peel quickly. Correct this by opening and replacing the compromised material and then priming. Another frequent issue is installing gutters without proper slope or secure hangers, which leads to standing water and accelerated decay. Fix this by regrading the run and using hanger spacing recommended by the manufacturer and fastening into solid framing. People also skip flashing and drip edges because they assume paint will protect everything. Add continuous metal flashings and proper drips so water is diverted away from joints and painted surfaces and the finish lasts longer. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors for carpentry, gutter replacement, and exterior painting projects, and we help contractors find new work in their service area. We also host a discussion community where users share experiences, ask questions, and get practical advice about coordinating maintenance tasks before painting.